Multiple lighting makes animation interesting. So over here you can see that I have an object, and if I were to go around over here on the viewport shading, you can see that there is one active lighting currently. But if you want to apply multiple lighting, then the standard way to apply lighting is tree lighting. And for that, you can enable out a plugin. So to do that, you can go around into edit, and then you can go to preferences, and over here on the add-on section, you can scroll down, and over here you will have access to tree lighting right here under lighting plugins right here. So once I click on this, what happens is that tree lighting gets applied right here, and then you can select out tree lighting over here on the viewport. So now you can press Shift A on your keyboard, and over here on the light you can see 3-point lights is an option. But to apply the 3-point light, first of all, what you need to make sure is that you need to have one light on the wet area that you have. So I'm going to go around right here on light. I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and over here on light, you can go around and click on 3-point lights. So once you do that, you can see that 3 lights actually appear right here, just like this. So over here, each of the light right now is not emitting any light. So to make sure that they emit light, you can go around into the object data properties right here and increase the power of the light right here. So over here, once you increase the power, what happens is that you can see the difference of the light right here. So there you go. As I increase the power, you can see the light. To make it more clear, I'm going to change around the color of the light right here. So I'm going to make the light a bit more yellow and increase out the power, and you can see there's the yellow tint over here for that particular light. You can also go around over here and then change this out. So if I were to go around and select out another light right here, let's say for example this one, and increase out this light right here, then you can go around, select out different color for that particular light as well. So let me just go around right here, increase out, and there you go. You see the tint of the light over here as well. For this one as well, let me just increase out the color right here, and there you go. So this is what you have. Let me just move this around over here, and according to the light, you can see the reaction right here. So I'm just going to go around, select this light right here. This is yellow light. This one is pink light, and this one, I'm just going to go around and change the color to blue light right here. Increase this out, and this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to move this, this is what you have right here. So if I were to go around and then go to rotate, you can go around, rotate this, and you can see that according to the light, you have this out. So I'm going to press Shift D right here. There's a duplicate, and you can see that according to the light right here, it is acting out. You can also move out the light right here, and you can see that it affects out how everything is here on the object. You can go around and bring this down right here. All the shadows and everything is generated, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and then press Shift A again. So Shift A right here. I'm going to go around into mesh right here. I'm going to go to mesh. I'm going to go to plane right here and scale this out, and this is what you have, as you can see. So according to the light you have right here, so there are 3-point lights right here. You can see that the reflections and everything else is here, just like this. So this is how the tree lighting plugin works out inside of Blender, and that is how you can apply lights inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.